Hello, in this video, I will explain to you on how to solve this problem. Okay, let's read the question first. A cube surface area increases at the rate of 72 inch squared per second. At what rate is the cube's volume changing when the edge length is x is equal to 3 inch? Okay, we need to find out the change of the volume here. Okay, now let's do calculation for the volume of the cube. Okay, V is obviously the width times length times height. So we will have all of it is x. So we have x times x times x. Therefore, the volume here is x cubed. Okay, and then we need to find out the rate of change of the volume. Rate of change here, and the rate of change is the derivative of V with respect to time. However, in the right hand side, we only have x as its variable, so we will derive that with respect to x first, but to get dv dt, we multiply this by dx dt. And we can calculate this part here using power rule. So we will have dv dt here is equal to 3x squared. Good. And this is multiplied by dx dt. Okay, however, we have some problem here because this is dx dt, but we are given that the rate of surface area change. We don't have this. Maybe let's save this as equation number 1 first, and we can come back to it later. So now we need to find out the surface area. Okay, and what is the surface area? I denote it as A here, and a cube consists of 6 squares, right? So we will have 6, and each squares, the area of each square is x times x, and therefore the area is equal to 6x squared. And what is the rate of change? We can have it as, okay, maybe let's write that here. Rate of change. Okay, we can have it as dA dt. Again, on the right hand side, we only have x as the variable, so we will have dA dx here, then multiplied by dx dt. Okay, so we will have dA dt here is equal to, I think we will have 12x multiplied by dx dt. But we can isolate that for dx dt here. Okay, maybe let's do it here. So we will have dx dt is equal to 1 over 12x multiplied by dA dt. Okay, and we can substitute this dx dt into equation number 1 here. Okay, let's exactly do that. Okay, now substitute that into this one. So this dx dt into this one here, and we will have dv dt is equal to 3x squared, but dx dt here is 1 over 12x multiplied by dx dt. I mean dA dt, not dx dt. dA dt. Okay, what can cancel here? I will have 3 and 12 will cancel into 4. This x will cancel the square here. And we can have dv dt here. dv dt is equal to, I think we will have x over 4. And then multiplied by dA dt. Good. Now, let's plug the numerical values. So we need to find out when x is equal to 3 inch. But we can also we can plug in this also. We are given that dA dt here is equal to 72 inch squared per second. And so we can get dV dt here. dV dt when x is equal to 3, that will equal to, I will have 3 over 4 and then multiplied by 72. This will cancel into 18 and I will have 54. What is the unit? Inch cube per second. And then that is the final answer for this question here. At what rate is the volume change? We have 54 inch cube per second. Okay, hopefully I did not make any mistakes during my calculation. Let me know if I did. And do not forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and then see you in the next video. Bye bye.